All right, I never wanted to take a lot of time to make documentations. I'd rather take my time to see what I could find for the North American Indian here in eastern North Carolina. Opening Sands is up there. Good place for me. Down here, a nice bluegill pond that my son likes. It's a good place. Now I'm walking here amidst lots of footprints. They're mine. But I'm coming and taking a little time and just relaxing. And letting patience have its perfect work. And I see this in the ground. Now why not come relax and pray? Because I'm praying for our nation, our leaders, their safety, their protection. And I know the angels of God and God's providence is going to see to it that democracy and peaceful progression and blessing happens to this nation, not division. No one, I guess I hate to say their sides, but no one on my side has ever wanted anything but unity and success and prosperity. In America, we can make that happen. That's what I pray for. That's a nice point, isn't it? Just worth starting off the day. Give you a good look at it. That's going to clean up super nice. Well, I appreciate you tuning in to Indian Trace. Hope you find out there.